Alright guys, Leon here, nights at 4 p.m. Finally got back to working on my antenna workshop. So much of things kind of come anyway. And now getting back to it. So the steps coming down into the basement. Pile of aluminum. Boom. 2-inch boom. These are from high gain antenna. 40 meant for 20 meters. I think 6 or 7 elements. They're tri-band. Bucket full of pieces. One thing with me, I rarely throw away aluminum pieces that are cut. Alright, these pieces are about 6 for, yeah, each notch on your finger is about 1 inch. It's about 6 inches long. A lot of people don't know that, how to measure without a measuring tape. Sometimes I do it when I forget to pick up my measuring tape, and it'll be spot on with the measuring tape. Right, next smaller bucket. Working on this shelving unit. Had a spare one, brought it down, but I had to give it some extra coats because it started to rust being down here. Right, so again, brackets on the wall for aluminum. Aluminum. 3/16, 1/8 aluminum rods. Yeah, pile of aluminum. Gotta put up more brackets on the wall and figure out more spots. Some copper, 1-inch copper from inside those repeater station master antennas. Took down from a repeater site, took it apart. I could actually use this to build VHF or UHF collinears for ham radio. Some more antennas, more parts. Heliax, this is what, boys? 7/8 Heliax. I think this is the 140 foot. Yeah, I think there's the 140 foot or 100 foot roller 7/8 Heliax. Again, came off a repeater site. So many long run, I think I want to get into 2.4 gigahertz EME moon bounce, so that will come in handy. Some old chairs are going to throw away. Going to actually line up that there to kind of build a rack, a movable rack. Yeah, nothing is really wasted with me. The Holy Spirit always putting ideas in my head as to what I can do. So when I just sit down here watching and I pray, and he always said, just try to show me a lot of stuff. Alrighty, more material. Yeah, 40 man beam for 10 meters. It could be easily adjusted for 11 meters. Build this for someone, and they didn't want it again, so it's here. Have it for sale. 24-foot boom, square boom, all kind of other antennas, traps, one by one squares. Put up brackets where I had space. You want this beam, right? You want this beam here, and on the next side of the beam, let me go there. A home-built elk antenna for 2 meters and 440 megahertz for satellite. I built that. Yeah, everything is home-built. So going to the far end. This workshop, this room here is about 25 feet long by 14 feet wide. Right. I already do about 3 days of work here. Still more to do, but a lot of work has been done. So Workshop in progress, finally. Laters.